expand it to a broader bank robbery of the province. We have written to them yesterday through our lawyers to the Speaker to tell her that she's obligated to convene this meeting by law for us to be able to respond to the letter of the MSC, because the Speaker is refusing, because they don't respect democracy. They think that they can just run this municipality without rules, without the Municipal Structures Act, without the Constitution. We're dealing with criminals and gangsters here who want to the zanification of the Constitution.
Mr. Bhanga, sorry, let me just come in there and just try to understand what you're saying here. You're saying that the Traditional Affairs MEC, Xolile Ngata, he has wanted to put the metro under administration for political expediency. Are you alluding to fears from the DA side that the ANC plans a power grab in the metro?
It's not a fear. They have failed to stabilize this municipality. One, they have destroyed service delivery.
And you're saying they're doing this on purpose?
They're doing it on purpose. Because the DA is the majority in terms of numbers of councillors. They know that if you go for an election of a mayor under the current situation where they are fighting with their partners, it's automatic that the person who's speaking with you right now will be an executive mayor. The DA will take over. Everybody knows that. The best way that they can do is to impose an administration to the city, which is an abuse of democratic processes in South Africa. Let me tell you, Michelle, all the administrators they have imposed in the Eastern Cape Rand ANC municipalities have been rejected by ANC municipalities. Grahamstown have collapsed, Kujima have collapsed. Therefore, they can't impose it to their own municipalities. But in a municipality where they are not a majority, they're trying to impose. The DA is not going to agree on that. What needs to happen here, whether the ANC wins the mayorship, a mayor must be elected, or the DA wins the mayorship. To us, it's a matter of principle. We're a democratic country, and we're a democrat. When we were running this municipality 2 years back, this municipality was better, well run. We did not steal any cent, we delivered services.
So I understand,
people in Nelson...
Mr. Bhanga, I'm sorry, we don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to interrupt you. I understand that you're saying it is a matter of principle, but what it results in, I mean, we've seen the reports around hospitals in that province. We've seen the state of hospitals. Again, I'm going to talk about the fact that we are in the midst of a pandemic and what this political bungling means for the people of your metro. It means that Treasury is now withholding funding that is needed, very desperately needed by your metro, by your province as a whole, and the people are the ones who end up suffering while this political sideshow carries on.
Let me tell you is that it's me who've been writing to National Treasury that what is happening here can continue like this. It's me who wrote about the grain heist, that more than 21 million rand was stolen and 20 people died because of it. It's me who wrote about that. It's me who've been writing to them about the money that has been stolen on the corona heist, more than 59 million rand. That has been stolen here in the city. It's me. We are saying they can't govern even if you give it to the province. They've been stealing through scooters. They've been collapsing our hospitals, as we are saying. The ANC is not capable of governing anything, but they are prepared to break everything as long as the ANC is not in government. The country must collapse. This city must collapse. We are not going to allow that. We've put a stop into it. Our courts should intervene in this regard to put this thing into a stop. A mayor and a legitimate mayor should be elected in order for us to proceed to deliver services to our people. So the DA is more capable of doing that.
For the people of your metro, of the Nelson Mandela Bay metro, the next steps here, as you say, is court action. When can we see this resolved?
We are going to court. We have given them until Wednesday. Therefore, we're going to apply for an urgent interdict to interdict them to call a meeting, and we have said the speaker, starting from today until a Wednesday at 1 o'clock, must issue a notice for the election of the mayor. We need to elect a mayor. We need to implement the National Treasury recommendation of make sure that all those who are stolen from the city are suspended and a right municipal manager is appointed. If the DA is elected on Monday, all the things National Treasury wanted us to do, we'll do them the following day, because we know how to govern, and when we govern better. You need decision makers to change governance in South Africa, and the ANC government is not capable of that. If they can even fail to instruct an MEC, to instruct a local municipality to do what is constitutionally right, you don't need an opposition party to go to court. These things are in the Municipal Systems Act and the Municipal Structures Act, but they cannot enforce the laws. The DA is going to show them, and the people of Nelson Mandela, they know that the DA is decisive. We're going to fix this city, right, whether they like it or not.
All right, we're going to leave it
there.
Mr. Bhanga, unfortunately, we're out of time.
Going to elect a mayor.
Nqaba Bhanga, thanks very much for your time. That is the DA